Hey, what's up, guys? Got a little thing we're going to try out today. So let's get her open up. Made in the USA. Always like that. Blacked out my name so y'all can't steal all my crap. I'm sure y'all are good people. But you never know. It is the internet. Alright. Let's put it. This is a little SOG knife. Love that thing. Thanks, Mom. Alright, here we go. Alright, paperwork. Let's trash that. That's it. That's a cool sticker. Alright. So, this is what we're doing today. This is the HB Industries Micro Comp. It is 1/2 by 28 threaded. So, the idea, and this is me, this is either going to work out really well or really bad. But it was cheap, so we'll see. So the idea is, this is my 19. Let's clear it out real quick. Alright, so here's my thread protector. This actually came off of my 17. And I needed a thread protector because I need one on my 17, right? So I'm thinking, I run across this, and so I'm like, I wonder if it can be used as a thread protector. Okay, so maybe not. It doesn't look like it's wanting a thread on there. All right, let's see if it'll. Okay, there we go. It was actually extremely hard to do. Getting it on there was so hard I'm actually sweating. That doesn't take much. So this is designed for like a 9mm PCC or something like that. We are going to see if I need a thread protector. Will this work compensating or reducing recoil on a Glock 19? So, sticks out a little bit in the axis. I don't know. For the price, it was worth the try. I'll probably get a PCC in the future sometime, even though right now they're still stupid to me. So I can just throw it in the safe and whatever, give it to a buddy. It's cheap. Let's go to the range. Let's shoot it. Let's see if it actually functions. I'll have some slow-mo between it on and it off. Hey, what's up, guys? Brockton loaded out here at the range today. We have the Glock 19. I have a thread protector on it, but this goes on my 17. So today we are going to try the HB Industries 44 Micro Comp. It's 4.9mm. It is actually a thread protector / compensator. So we're going to see if it works. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. We're going to fire some slow motion with the regular barrel in it, and then we're going to fire some slow motion with a comp, see if it even runs. Alright guys, we're going to put our compensator on. Just keep our muzzle down range. Now, this thing has a nitron, I don't know if you can see it. Nitron or Vitron O-ring, and it is actually fairly hard to get it started as far as the threads go, but once you kind of get it started, you'll know whether it's square or not. There we go. Alright. And then it just sits up flush, and the O-ring is supposed to hold it on there. That's what we're looking like. Alright. Let's load it up. Alright, we got our compensator on. Let's gas it up. Alright dudes, well, we're in the HP Industries comp slash thread protector today. Ran flawlessly. I had about 400 or 500 rounds through it. It hasn't backed off at all. It's still hot, so I won't mess with it, but it's still snugged up tight. That Vitron or Nitron, I can't remember, I think it's Vitron, O-ring really keeps it backed up there, so we'll take that off later, see if there's any, if it melted it or anything, but I don't think it will. Ran it scalding hot too. It does compensate very well. I will say 100% reliability, if I haven't said that. Does compensate well. I don't know about the square type compensators. This is more of kind of like a muzzle brake since it's all the way around. But if I had to ballpark it, I would say maybe 20% reduction in recoil, which if you're going to run a thread protector, why not run a comp? Get 20% recoil reduction, and you know, why not? There's no real reason. This is a thread protector is like $5 to $15, usually depending on which one you get. This is 20. This is 20. So yeah, it's kind of no-brainer there. So if you like what you saw today, you can go to hbindustries.com. If you like the shirt, you can go to 1776united.com. Check them out. Love their stuff. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. And I'll be doing more stuff like this. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comments below. Thanks.